Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing fine. Welcome to my channel, and I'm Lisa, and this is about your next 48 hours. So it's going to be a collective reading, so take what resonates and leave the rest. And you guys have been showing a lot of love on next 48 hours, so it kind of inspires me to be regular with it. So yeah, thanks. Let's begin. Let's see what do we have for the next 48 hours. So we have first chakra, we have woman holding a heart, and we have strategy, rest and rejuvenate, storm warning, magician and mirror, and we have cornucopia. Ayyo. Okay. Whoa. I just asked for the gist of your next 48 hours, or let's say what is going to be overall theme for next 48 hours, and the theme is commitment. Okay, so let's begin with the reading, and then I will talk about the gist. So I'll keep the cards aside. So firstly, I do feel that you have been healing a very deep wound when it comes to your safety and when it comes to your survival. Okay, in your next 48 hours, I do feel that first message that I'm getting is that earlier there was someone who did not have the ability or did not have that power to even receive your love or even to see your love, to accept your love. But now there's some healing that is happening in this person's life. Okay, especially at the root chakra. Okay, and I don't see that this is something related to finances or anything like that. It could be, but at the same time, it's just feel that you were dealing with someone who did not have any backbone. ओके, एक बोलते हैं ना कि एक इंसान की, जिस इंसान की वो रीढ़ की हड्डी नहीं होती है, वो इंसान किसी का नहीं होता. तो कहीं ना कहीं इस पर्सन के साथ एक ऐसी एनर्जी थी where this person was completely detached with you, with others emotionally. Probably when it comes to their own emotions, this person will literally destroy the world. Okay, but if this person is untouched emotionally, then they don't care about the whole world. So this person has been seeing things from that perspective, and that kind of got healed very recently. Okay, so now this person is strategizing, this person is planning to make a move towards you. Okay, and I also feel that something happened very recently which was it's like karma striking them really hard. Okay, so something happened in their life recently where you can say universe showed this person some kind of truth or some kind of reality, because we have storm warning. This person thought that they have healed from you. This person thought that they are healing themselves and all of that, but actually that healing did not take place. And whatever they were trying to heal, they are uh, I just feel that there's a big breakthrough in this person's life, and when this breakthrough happens, this person will understand that the bridge they were trying to build was not did not have any authentic foundation. Probably there's this possibility where this person had a lot of love for you, but at the same time this person did not create that foundation for you. This person is realizing that they did not create that stability for you. They are realizing that they did not create that foundation for you where you can be or where you can stay. Okay, and this is like a very earth shattering moment for them, earth shattering realization for them, that This is something that you always needed. This is something that you always wanted. And now once this happens, after that I do see that this person would want to become a magician, okay, in the next 48 hours. Now I'll talk a bit about your individual energy as well, okay. So if I talk about the individual energy here, firstly, a lot of you, I do feel that you are healing your heart right now, okay. Earlier it was more about survival, okay, whether I'll be able to survive with this person or not, or I have to make choices, I have to make practical choices. Practical choices should be like this person has to be a protector, this person has to be a provider, this person has to do this and that. A lot of categorization was happening, and you were seeing things from a very practical perspective, okay, in your life and in general also. But now I do feel that you are wearing your heart on your sleeves, okay. Now I do feel that there's something changing in you, where you are becoming love, okay, where you are not really thinking about survival. Now you're thinking about thriving. Now you want more. Now you want love. Earlier probably you just wanted some kind of you know you needed or wanted some kind of survival kit, okay, which had so and so much of money, so much of protection and this and that. But now things are changing, okay. Your view of love is changing, your view about relationships is changing, okay. So now it's not really about those characteristics or categorization of roles and this and that, but now it's more about love, okay. And you are completely ready to share this love with someone, and probably someone else is also ready to share this love with you. But because we are talking about you right now, the individual energy, so yes, that is something which is being healed, okay. And I do feel that some of you are really connected with Jesus, or there's some Jesus energy, there's some miracle energy, forgiveness energy is also there. So either you are forgiving someone, or and it's not necessary that it has to happen consciously. Sometimes it also happens subconsciously or unconsciously. It's just that you will feel only a bit of that experience, and rest universe is going to make it happen in some other direction, sorry, dimension. So it's like you are experiencing something on a different plane, in a different dimension, but at the same time you will get that feeling of it, that okay, something is happening, something is changing in my energy, something is changing in my vibration. And this change is about healing, okay. You are healing something, okay. And there's also, I also feel that it's a very specific message for someone, that probably for you, maybe people showed that emotions are a weakness, okay. Or probably you have been with certain people where they made you feel that emotions are a weakness, but now you are understanding and you are accepting yourself the way you are, and you are wearing your heart on the sleeves, okay. You're not afraid to show that love, you're not afraid to be in love, you are not afraid to fall in love. So I see a very fearless energy in the next 48 hours. And other than that, I also feel that in the next 48 hours you will go through some deep relaxation phase. Some of you, I feel that you should be meditating a lot in the next 48 hours. Okay, because when you sit in meditation, when you will be sitting in meditation, there is a big epiphany moment which is going to happen, okay. It is going to be a mind-blowing experience for you, something that you will know, something where which you will realize, it's like God is going to show you some kind of truth, okay. Eye-opening moment, okay. I'm not going to emphasize more on this, but just understand what I'm trying to say, because I don't think that I should be saying the whole thing. But meditation in the next 48 hours is extremely important. It's like you will feel that Shiva is calling you to sit and meditate, Shiva is calling you to sit with him, okay. So that's Shiva consciousness, Guru consciousness, whatever you want to call. So that energy is definitely there, and after that epiphany, okay, after this moment, after this breakthrough that you will have through your meditation, after this something great will happen. Okay, after this tables are going to turn completely. Okay, completely tables are going to turn. Now it can be in your perception, it can be in reality, it can be anything, but yes, I can tell you that something huge is going to change after this meditation. Okay, so a lot of you are being asked to meditate. Then we have planning. So now coming to the gist or overall theme, we can say all your dark thoughts are coming to an end now. Okay, you have been planning a lot, you have been wanting to act a lot, right? You have been researching a lot about something, you have been trying to gain a lot of information, so you have been using your mind a lot, recently or probably in the past, but this energy is coming to an end. Why? Because this planning and everything put you through some kind of darkness, because I don't think that there was any kind of implementation. There was more of, it's like जितना ज़्यादा आप सोच रहे थे, जितना ज़्यादा आप दिमाग लगा रहे थे, उतना ज़्यादा आप darkness में जा रहे थे. Okay, so this darkness, this dark consciousness is going to end. You are going to have peace in your life. Okay, finally this darkness is coming to an end. Okay, you are about to attend the funeral of this darkness. Okay, you are about to attend the funeral of these dark thoughts, and it is going to be very different from the way I'm expressing it, the way I'm speaking about it. It is not giving justice to what I'm feeling about this reading. Okay, so sometimes listening may not be enough. Sometimes that experience is more important than listening. So I would really suggest you guys to meditate. Okay, meditate every day, because now universe is calling you to meditate. Universe is calling you to sit with him, have a conversation with him, develop a connection with the universe. Okay, so ऐसा भी हो सकता है that you might feel, okay, today I'm going to meditate, but then you do not. So don't be into that loop. Whenever you feel that, okay, बहुत दिनों से meditate नहीं किया, now I think I should be meditating, just know that it is universe who is calling you. Okay, just know that it is universe who is asking you to meet him. Okay, and the only way to meet him is through meditation, is through sitting in silence, being in silence, right? And then of course we have got the card of commitment. So I don't think that I have to say something before I talk about any kind of 3D commitment or third dimension commitment. Right now is the time where you commit, you show that commitment to your Shiva, to the God consciousness. Okay, and after that you will get the whole picture. Okay, I think this entire reading was not to give you the whole picture, but take you towards that whole picture, and this reading is going to be the first step towards it. All right, so I think that is it. I hope it helps. I'll see you next time. Bye bye, take care.